Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So today when I show you how I can host my lovable website. So this is I have done. This is the website, and this is the whole website, and this is the admin dashboard. Admin dashboard. Here booking, service, free contact message, also site settings. If anyone submit in front, then it will become on backend. Okay, so this is I have done. So for backend I use Supabase, and for front I will use my hosting. This is my hosting panel, cPanel here, and this is my website. Okay, so now I have to go git. This is GitHub. So this is the GitHub, and here I have to click code here, as you can see. Here, as you can see, code. Then I have to click here, then scroll, then click download zip, then it will be download. Okay, here, okay, the file has downloaded successfully. So this is my file, and I have to go file manager and download. Then I have to unzip this file. So here click. If I click here, then here, as you can see, extract all, and click, then extract. Okay, this is the main file. Okay, this is the file. This is the file. Okay, here I don't have dist file, so I have to build a dist file. So that's why we have to go in basic. So now open my basic code, then file, then open folder, then download. Then this is our extract file, and here click, then click the file and select file. Then here, as you can see guys, here don't have a dist file, so we will build a dist file, and also we will live our uh, this our website on a local host. So now I have to click here, as you can see, I have to click here, okay. So if I click, then here terminal, so I have to run some command like npm install, then enter, then it will work, and I have to build this sample this packet. Okay, then I have to run another command, npm run there. So the file working, maybe some error. Okay, npm inst. Okay, the command are wrong. I have to click delete, then again So and we have install install now. Okay, spelling is okay. Install. Okay, and as you can get the price also have camera file, not module. Before command was spelling mistake, that's why. Okay, so also here working I have to create a subdomain, so I have to search domain, then create. Okay, then create new, then the website name is nitty and double ty and double ty dot. This is okay. Okay, the spelling mistake. Okay, no problem. I will delete. Okay, then delete. We are working now still. Okay. Okay, I have to create another one. Here, spelling. Now create submit. This is the domain. Okay, this is the domain, and I have to go now. File manager. This is the file manager. Okay, this is the wrong file. I have to delete. Also, this is the wrong file. This is the main file. I have to open. Then cgvin file I have to delete. Okay, now cbc code. Okay, now I have to run npm run db. Okay, then enter. Okay, here as you can see, guys, this is my localhost URL. Then if I go home, then new tab, then paste my localhost link. Then I have to go uh, BC another. Then I have to uh, create here, create, then plus icon. Then I have to run another command like npm run npm run. Okay, then we will see here a dist file. Here as you can see, here don't have dist file. Then okay, I have to go in VC cPanel. So guys, this is my local host. If I reload again, then you will see here. And if I go admin, the spelling mistake, then here. Okay. So now go ahead. this is an 80 file. Okay, so and okay, this file is successfully generated. Now I have to close the PC. Then I have to go file manager, then go download. Then this is my file location to go. Then I have to find this file. This is my dist file. Then open. Then select all. Then zip. Okay, compress to zip. Okay, okay, zip. I have to pop up here. Then click upload. Then the file I have to drag here. Then the file complete. Then I have to back then reload. Then I have to unzip the file. Here click, then extract, then extract the file extract, and I have to delete the zip file and delete skip and the trash permanently delete. Okay, now this is our website. I have to reload here. So guys, as you can see, the website already done. And also if I go to admin, then there you can say 403 or 4040 admin area my spelling of the enter. Then here you guys you can say 404 not found. So I have to add dot htaccess file. Then I have to click settings. Then I have to click show hidden file, like a dot file. Then I have to click save, and guys you will see dot htaccess, and I have to add this code in htaccess, and I have to open this file like edit, then again edit. Then here don't edit this file. Okay, so just enter and blue all control, then paste here, then click save. Then if I reload here, then you will say you need admin area, please sign in the admin account. Okay, sign. Then to click demo, like demo, that is gmail.com, and the password is 123456. Okay, this is the admin. So this is the way. So thank you guys. If you need any help, kind of help uh, uh, for build a website or need help, just inbox me. I have put my WhatsApp and email in my description. So thank you.